Day 58. Just 2 days to go. Just 2 days to go. Push yourself. Dear diary, today we focus on the more, and many new things. The more jitna, the more utna. The more scold me, the more I laugh. The more you study, the more you will grow. The more you study, the more you will forget. The more you beat him, the more he will scold. The more spoil him. The more you teach me, the more I'll forget. The more you read a newspaper, the more you will get GK. General knowledge. The more you add sugar in tea, the more tea will be sweet. The more waste your time, the more you will become lazy. The comparative degree plus sentence. The comparative degree plus sentence. Jo tyo tyo. The higher you go, the colder you will feel. The deeper you go, the darker will get. So these are the comparative degree. Now it is for हमें चाहिए कि हम. It is for plus object plus that, subject plus should, helping verb plus object. It is for us. हमें चाहिए कि हम that we should help the poor. It is for us that we should obey our parents. It is for us that we should help the needy people. It is for people that they shouldn't speak Hindi. It is for students that they shouldn't waste the time. With a view to, id hetu, rule, with a view to plus main verb for plus object. I have come here with a view to learning English. I have come here with a view to meeting with you. I scolded him with a view to teaching a lesson. I have to go to Indore. I will go to Bhopal with a view to giving exam. Now whether or not, whether चाहे or not या नहीं. I am in love with English whether you believe or not. Whether you invite or not, I will come. Whether you teach, चाहे तुम पढ़ाओ और या ना पढ़ाओ, I will come. Whether you play or not, I will play. Whether you eat or not, I'll eat. Whether you speak or not, I'll speak English. Whether you believe or not, it's fact. Whether you dance or not, I'll dance. While main verb fourth. ID ते करते हुए ते समय. I go to sleep while studying. I watch TV while taking food. I try to speak English while making food. To be frank, I speak English while traveling. I motivate my student while teaching so that they may speak out. I forget everything while studying English. I started to sing a song while making sentence. I enjoy while studying so that they may not feel bored. I shout a lot while taking a bath with cold water. I sleep while sitting. He started to weep while talking. I get tired while sitting. He started to abuse while talking. I want to make these things learns. I want to get the Taj Mahal built for you. This road goes to Mumbai. Do one thing, go straight this road. Goes to heart of India, Madhya Pradesh. This train comes from Bombay and goes to Jabalpur. यह होता है. It happens only in India. It happens only at. Leave it yaar. It happens everywhere. Now enjoy. Plus main verb fourth. I enjoy speaking English. Knowingly means जानबूझकर. I knowingly do this work. I knowingly go there. I knowingly speak Hindi. He does so knowingly. Yaar, no, because he innocent. Done. I speak confidently every day. I practice without excuses. I grow stronger step by step. Day 58 complete. Comment and speak aloud. We are so close. Bye.